The fourth edition of the Sohra International Half Marathon is scheduled to take place on the 27th of September 2025 in Sohra. The Meghalaya State Olympic Association, in collaboration with the Directorate of Sports and Youth Affairs Government of Meghalaya and the Meghalaya Athletics Association, is organizing the event. Officials mentioned that the marathon has received official recognition from World Athletics and the Athletics Federation of India. During a press briefing held today, the Director of Sports and Youth Affairs D.D. Sohra, MSOA Working President John F. Kharshiying and MSOA General Secretary Finally Paryat announced that as many as 6,808 participants, including runners from other countries, have registered for the event. They stated that the marathon was being organized not only to encourage fitness but also to promote tourism and sportsmanship in the state. The Director of Sports and Youth Affairs, D.D. Sohra, informed that preparations were progressing with strong support from local Darbar Shnongs in Sohra, the police, the subdivisional administration and other departments. He added that the organizers were aiming to ensure this year's marathon would be a grand success.
Hand in hand with the Meghalaya State Olympic Association and Meghalaya Athletic Association, and also with the authorities of Sohra Civil Subdivision and the local populace of Sohra area. And we are preparation-wise ready, and we are hopeful that this event will be a grand success this time also. Appeal to the people of Sohra to kindly bear with us regarding the restrictions on that day only, race day, it is 27th September. From the runner side, we are hopeful to enjoy the race, and we are expecting more runners from outside also. So just like to inform that we are on the right track.
Announce as the days are closing nearby that, as you're aware, the fourth Sohra International Half Marathon is going to be conducted on 27th September. And we have few days left, and the last date I think is 10th, right? 10th of September. So like last year also we had a lot of issues, people last minute wanting to apply, but we can't do because these are online registrations, and when it closes, then unfortunately that's what happens. On behalf of MSA, Meghalaya State Olympic Association, and the Department of Sports and Youth Affairs, and the Meghalaya Athletics Association, and all the other stakeholders, the village heads, the subdivisional officer of Sohra, and the other line departments of Sohra.
Due later. So as of now, we have 6,808 participants. Of this, run for fun is 5,538. So we have elite. This time we have more elite. Men we have 82, women 17, 21K, Meghalaya Open, men 115, women 16, 10K 18 above, 710 men, women 164, 10K 40 to 54 years, 90 men, women 46, and 10K above 55, men 19, women 11. Of these, we have already confirmed on the participation of 5 Kenyan runners, and 6 of them who are from Nigeria and Ethiopia. They have not yet received the visa, so we are waiting for them also to register. So now we have the maximum entry till date. As for the SOP, this will be given to all the athletes as and when they come for collecting of the T-shirt and the plate number. This run is, we have got a share letter from the AFI that they recognize this run, and will be conducted by them on all technical sport, all technical expertise. So just for the brief information, I've given you the seat, so I'll just run about it. So timing the run, we'll try to run the 5K at 5:30 a.m. from CP School, 10K at 21K, maybe 6 a.m. both race will start. So that also subjected to the consultation with the AFI technical official as and when they come. We try to make the run early. Last year we start late because of the late arrival of the buses, and the heat was so much that we have lots of people who fallen sick because of the heat. So this time we try, as per John's appeal and that all runners should be on time. And as that we said, no buses will leave Shillong after 4 a.m. So regarding the prizes, we are only given to you, you know it, and run for fun is a 200 gift, 100 boys, 100 girls. And for the 50 years who finish the 21K will be given a consolation cash prizes for all the one who finish the 21K. And t-shirt chest number will be distributed on the 25th, 26th September at the N Stadium from 11 a.m. to 5 p.m. And for Sohra, t-shirt will be on the 25th and 26th from 12 noon from the Cherub Presbyterian School, Nangsaulia. So these are the general information from our side, and we do hope that this year also the run will be great, since last year was 7,200 something, so we have another 14 days, so we expect we will touch 8,000 something. So I hope we can manage to make this run successful. Once again, thankful to the government for supporting this run. We have no sponsorship, it is directly funded by the sports department.